Door replacement. Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. Whether you're in Capitol Hill or Foggy Bottom, our expert team provides top-notch door installation services, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless operation. From entry doors to patio doors, we offer a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. For those in need of door replacement in Georgetown or Columbia Heights, our skilled technicians are ready to tackle any issue. We specialize in door frame replacement, door alignment, and door hardware adjustments, ensuring your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Our door replacement services extend to French doors, sliding doors, and more, providing comprehensive solutions for all your needs. Entry doors are a focal point of any home, and our door replacement services in DuPont Circle and Anacostia ensure your home makes a great first impression. We offer a variety of custom doors, including energy-efficient doors and security doors, to enhance both the aesthetic and safety of your property. Our door replacement Washington services are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. Patio doors are a popular choice for homeowners in Adams, Morgan, and Navy Yard, offering a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Our door services include the installation and maintenance of sliding doors and French doors, providing both style and functionality. We also offer door sealing and door weatherproofing to protect your home from the elements. Door hardware is an essential component of any door system, and our Washington, D.C. door services include a wide selection of high-quality hardware options. From doorknobs to locks, we provide everything you need to enhance the security and appearance of your doors. Our team is experienced in door customization and door fitting, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Door refinishing and maintenance are key to preserving the beauty and longevity of your doors. Our services in Logan Circle and Shaw include door refinishing, door maintenance, and door upgrades, helping you keep your doors in top condition. We also offer door insulation and door weatherproofing to improve energy efficiency and comfort. For those in Petworth and U Street, our door replacement services offer a wide range of options to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for storm doors, security doors, or custom doors, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our door replacement Washington team is dedicated to providing high-quality door services that enhance the value and appeal of your home. Door alignment and adjustments are critical for ensuring smooth operation and preventing wear and tear. Our door replacement services in Woodley Park and Cleveland Park include precise door alignment and adjustments, ensuring your doors function flawlessly. We also offer door frame replacement and door sealing to address any issues and improve performance. In Tenleytown and Brooklyn, our door services include comprehensive door maintenance and upgrades. From door refinishing to door insulation, we provide a full range of services to enhance the performance and appearance of your doors. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional results and ensuring your complete satisfaction.